What's happening, guys? We're in the 589 ripping out this cabinet. I'm gonna show you guys real quick on how to rip this cabinet down. So this is what we got to do. They have all these casings right here, really fairly simple. They're just little clips and I think one screw, honestly, and two 13mm bolts. You open this up, pull these tabs back. They have 4 of them, and you just take them out, really simple. And you take all these screws out, and that's it. That's all it is. You know, you guys are probably wondering, you know, losing all this cabinet space, but I really don't care. I got all these shelves, everything like that, so it's no big deal. Pulled out this passenger seat because I don't need that, and I'm gonna wire down inverters for my fridge, hence why we're pulling this out. So I'm just gonna give you guys, you know, a quick demonstration of how to wire up these inverters and install the fridge, so you guys can have this option if you want it. A lot of guys want this cabinet, but I really don't need it, so it's kind of stupid. So let's do this whole demonstration instructions for you guys. All right, now we got the whole cabinet down. Gotta get down to the bottom part. Same concept. These 4 tabs, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and we gotta get this draw out and disconnect the draw. And if you can't really see, actually you can see, there's a screw right there because it's anchored down to the floor. So a couple screws. It's really simple, and again, we're almost there. So all right, now we have the entire cabinet out. Now we have to work over here and figure out how we're going to install this inverter. We have to drill down to the floor, but if you look at this equipment that I bought, fairly simple kit. You can get it at your nearest audio electric store. This calls for 2/0 AUG wire. I went with 0 AUG. Fairly simple kit. Get your negatives, positives, and your fuse kit. Comes with 2 150 amp fuses. I bought some extra ones just in case, but let's just get this wired up. What you want to do is power drive a hole from the bottom just to get a good marker where you're going. Once you drill your hole, get a 2-inch dowel bit and get a nice circle in there so you can run your wires through. All right, so now we got our holes in. These might be a little tight. We might have to make them a little wider. What you want to do is get your distance of how much wire you need for your inverter. Leave a little bit of slack. You don't want them too tight while you're driving down the road. They just need a little bit of room. Hop on down. And what you're going to do is run these wires right through the chassis. And then we're going to zip tie these up. You're going to cut back on your wire. You want to explain what you're doing, Dad? What are you doing? Crimping, making a crimp for the ground. Cut back a little bit and then put this right up on the sleeve and crimp it. And just like that. Voila, just like that. And do the same for the other one. Alright, now we got our terminals hooked up. We got our ground cable. We're gonna feed this through the hole. Just like so. And do the same thing for the other side. Now we got everything ran through. Now we have to get up to the battery box and get these fuse. We got 150 here and 150 here. What you want to do is plug right here in that other wire, which is right here. We're gonna get that right through the other side, and voila. All right, now we got all of this wired up. Got all these fuses, 150 fuses for each side. And then get this set up and set the terminals and turn on the inverters. And that's it. Once you have everything set up, what you want to do is get a voltmeter on these. Put it on each side of the terminals. And you want to test the power. And we have power. Voila. Alright, this is all done. We're gonna up everything through, but later on I'm gonna move these. I'm gonna rerun these and make it a little bit neater so I can get them over here. Really don't like how they're just, you know, chilling right here, but they're tight. And everything like here. I didn't cut all these zip ties, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna rerun this again, but for a quick little thing, not too shabby. Inside of the truck, we got the inverter over there in the fridge. You know, some people think this is crazy, but to be honest, you can't bargain with it. All this fridge room, all this freezer room. I don't have a tube. Got the inverter down over here. Again, guys, this is a 2025 589. It's extremely spacious. Like, it's really no joke. And you still got all up here. But if you guys are interested in buying an inverter, these are good inverters. The one thing I can say that I don't like about it is that it does give you a little level charge. You know, my old inverter did give me a nice amperage and tell me like how much watts are really going in this thing, but it's no big deal. And over here, get on the other side because you can really see. Gotta get under this way. Under here, again, there's some zip ties that I didn't cut, but no big deal. I'll deal with this later because I'm gonna rerun this way better. But this is where the ground is. You guys have to have a ground in order, you know, for God forbid anything happens, you know, definitely need a ground. You can go right to the chassis. Ran it right down the frame. Got little holes. And like I said, this is really quick because I have to get on the road. I love these holes like this. Really, you guys want to get a plate in here, silicone inside here, plate and silicone it again. Get some wire, loom, and coat these up. But like I said, for quick shit, can't complain for what it is, and it's really neat. Got my fridge plugged up right here. This inverter does come with 4 outlets, so I'm really happy with that. My last inverter only came with 2. And this one the same way. So this is it, guys. This is how you install inverters inside your truck and get a big ass fridge in there. This is 4.5 cubic fridge, and when I get the chance, I have to go to Best Buy. Well, actually, I don't have to go to Best Buy anymore because I already got my TV mount. Got to install my TV. I got a little, you know, retractable swivel. So when I'm laying in here at night, I can just swivel this up right here. I got all this space where I'm not just confined right here and just looking up at the TV. Can move this over. So here you guys have it, guys. This is how you guys install inverters in a fridge in your truck. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm actually going to do a whole walk around video because now I finally have the chance to actually show you guys what my truck's really like. But this is just a quick glimpse. If you guys are interested, we are based out of New Jersey. If you want to learn how to fly, Eagles View Aviation. We have every plane that you need. So this is the view we had all day. I got caught up doing this equipment, but anyhow, we'll do that for a video for another day, guys. Stay tuned.